Expressive Chords has come a long way since it was first released in version 12. Now you can actually edit and put your own chords into Expressive Chords. So if you don't know already, Expressive Chords is basically a preset set of chords that you can use, and they all go together quite well. And you do have a lot of presets. So for example, if I want to use soul hop and I've got a piano sound, so I just press one key, that's the sound I get. That's the next sound. You can see I'm just moving up the keyboard, and as I move up, I get all of these different amazing sounding chords, and they all sound good, and they're basically now genre based, so you've got loads and loads. Just with this piano basic, you've got some pretty good sounds, but if you use really good instrument, so say for example we use this Diva instrument. So yeah, they can sound amazingly good. We're going to create and add our own chords. So we'll start with middle C because that's the easiest one to find. We've clicked on edit mode. Now we're going to click on learn and play a chord. I'm going to play an E minor chord here. So that's learning that chord. So I'm just going to switch it off. If I press middle C, it now plays that chord. I've got invert on, so it will, and tilt on, so it won't play exactly what I've played. Let's try again. There it is. Now we're going to click on the next one and click on learn again. We're going to play A minor 7th. Learn. So we'll just play C and C sharp. And we'll just do these other two chords. This will be a G 7th. And the last one will be a C minor 7th. Excellent. So now we have those 4 notes and they play the chords I've just entered. If you have a tune that you want to play live, all you have to know are the notes to play, and you can put them all next to each other, and it's just a lot easier, obviously. Got all of these tools that Expressive Notes gives you, like Strum, Articulate, Invert. Let's just try a few of these things. Tilt. These are exactly the same chords I entered before. So basically that's how you do it. That's how you create your own expressive chords. Now what you obviously want to do right now is then you want to save it, you want to give it your own name, and then that is it, that is done. Sounds cool, and Expressive Chords is very cool.